Okay, our last problem today. It's a little hard to see this picture here, but there is a building called the Chicago Board Trade Building, and on top of it is a statue of Ceres. And what we want to do is we've taken two observations, 400 feet from the center of the building, and we see that the angle from 400 feet to the bottom of the statue is 55.1 degrees. That's all in blue. And the angle to the top of the statue is 56.5 degrees from the same place. That's the red triangle. What we need to do is calculate the height of that statue. So basically what we need to find this distance right there. Now, what's really important to keep in mind here, and on similar problems people have messed this up, is that this statue is in the middle of the building. So we need to measure from our point of observation to the middle of the building. Okay, if I only measure to the side of the building, I get the wrong calculations because then I don't have a right triangle. Okay, so the first thing that I need to calculate is I need to know, what is A over here? What is the length? What is the distance from here down to here? So I'm going to use the blue triangle. I want the side opposite. I have the side adjacent. That tells me I'm going to use the tangent. The tangent of 55.1 degrees is the opposite over the adjacent. And then I simply multiply both sides by 400. And this comes out to be, A comes out to be about 573.4 feet. Now, a lot of people will stop right here. You're not done yet. So we need to do this again. We need to find this side this time. Make it a little bolder. We're going to call the red segment B. And again, that's the side opposite. The side adjacent is still the same, so I'm still going to use tangent. The tangent of 56.5 degrees this time would be B over 400. And then I would multiply both sides by 400. So I get this. It's not very good. And then I just get out my calculator and I multiply that out, and B comes out to be about 604.3 feet. And the final part of my problem is to take 604.3 and subtract the 573.4, and that tells me that X is 30.9 feet. And so I've calculated the height of the statue. I never had to go in the building. And I didn't have to go up and use a tape measure and all that kind of stuff. Very handy.